Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Akmal Hazilaisi. You can call me Akmal from class H, NPM 30212100 Cerci. When to present about acts against the law. Definition of action against the law. An action or inaction that causes harm to another person who has no previous legal relationship, whose obligations are directed at everyone in general. If they are unable to fulfill their obligation, then compensation is requested. PMH element refer to Article 1365 Civil Code. 1. There is an action, positive or negative. 2. The act have to fight law. 3. There are losses. 4. There is an error. And 5. There is relationship, cause and effect between action against the law with losses. Judge consideration of PMH, whether or not there is an element of error is important determine whether an act is against the law. Article 1365 the Civil Code itself does not differentiate between internal error forms of intentionality, objet dolus, and internal error superden from culpa. Thus, judge must be able to assess and consider weigh the likeness of the mistake that someone makes in connection with this unlawful act, so that fair compensation can be determined. Compensation in PMH according to M.A. Moigni Jojo Dirjo in his book entitled Acts Against the Law. 1. Compensation for losses in the form of money. 2. Prohibition to commit an act. 3. State in its original stage. And 4. Remove something held unlawfully. And 5. Announcement of a decision or of something that has been corrected. Next, compensation. The Hogret decision that 24 May 1918 considered that returning it to its original condition was the most appropriate payment of compensation. However, it turned out that it was difficult to replace it with the exact item. Therefore, Article 1236 of the Civil Code applies, which reads as follows. The debtor is obligated to compensate the creditor for costs, losses, and interest if he makes himself unable to hand over the item or does not take good care of it to save it. Next, PMH by the Chun authorities. Disputes over unlawful acts by agencies and or official government on arithmetic overheaded is a dispute that is in it contains demands to declare it invalid and or the action of a government official is void or has no power binding law and compensation in accordance with regulatory provisions legislation. Next, criminal PMH. Acts against criminal law are known as retaliation. According to Munir Fuadi, the only difference between this edge against criminal law and against civil law is that in accordance with their nature as public law. With criminal edge, there is a public interest that is violated, besides perhaps also individual interest, whereas which acts against the law, civil law, then what is violated is only personal interest. Next element of criminal PMH. In the context of criminal law, the PMH element is an act the violating the law, action carried out beyond the limit authority or power, and action that violate general principle of law. Differences between element of criminal and civil unlawful acts is the existence of an act that in against the law. There is a mistake on the part of the perpetrator. There is a loss for the victim, and there is a causal relationship between the act and the loss. That's all my presentation. If there are any mistakes, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.